Guys, I'm Sony Harvey. Today I will talk about what is software, what is the types of software, what is the types of translators, basic about C, C++ and Java. C++ and Java's difference. C is a product-oriented programming language and Java is an object-oriented programming language. C is a compiler language and Java is a compiler and interpreted language. In C, after compiling, it will be generate .exe file, .obj file and .backup file. In Java, after compiling, it will be generate .class file. C and C++ is a machine-dependent language and Java is a machine-independent language. What is a software and its type of software? Software is a set of instructions that tells to a computer exactly what to do. Example like Windows, antivirus, drivers, etc. There are three types of software: system software, application software and utility software. System software is a type of software that manages and controls a computer's hardware resources. Example like Windows, Linux, Microsoft OS and Android. There are operating system, device, drives and firmware are a type of a system software. After application software is also known as apps. We are programming designed to perform a specific task to a users. Example like there are many types of application software like desktop, web, mobile, AR, VR and ML. Example like Angry Birds, Facebook, Microsoft Excel. After utility software is also known as utility programs. It's doing a specific maintenance and management or optimizing to a task on a computer. There are two types of utility software: CAD and CAM. CAD is also known as a computer aided design and CAM is also known as a computer aided manufacturing. There are many examples like disk cleanup, antivirus, backup, etc. After type of a translator, there are three types of translator: compiler, interpreted and assembly. A compiler translator will be executed by whole program and before showing an error. Interpreted is a line by line executed and after showing the error. And now we will talk about what is data type, arrays and loop. There are three types of data types: primitive data types, derived data types and user-defined data types. Primitive data types, all C compilers put like integer, float, double, character, null types of fundamental data types. Derived data types are data type which are from a primitive data type, user-defined data type. A data type which defined by user or programmers is also known as a user-defined data types. What is array? Array is a sequence of collection of related data items that share some names, some data types, but store a different value. And there are three types of array: one-dimensional array, two-dimensional array and multiple dimensional of array. Loops. A loop is a programming constructor that allows a set of instruction or a block of code to be executed repeatedly for a specific number of a time. Entry control loop. Loop has two types: entry control loop and exit control loop. In entry control loop, first executed the condition and after it will be run. And in the exit control loop, first run the program and after it will be executed. Now we will using a C programming language create a simple array program. So now I am talking about a candy game in a C language and in a turbo C. So what is a candy game? It's a game where a player moving a box and catching a fallen candy. So if you are catching the drop in a basket, your score will be increased. If you are not able to catch the candy, if your score is increased. So I will show you a candy game.